you keep hitting the button and you stop the show from playing.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together.
Hey guys, so I don't really know how much Keith has vlogged today, actually at all, if he did, but we ran errands. I guess if he did vlog, he'll put footage in, I don't know, but Melanie showers tomorrow, so between last night and tonight, I had a few last minute things to do for it. So these are prizes for a game, well, games. And then this will be the banner. So yeah, just a few little last minute stuff that had to get done. Baby and Keith are napping, so I was able to do all the dishes that had to get done. Throwing laundry in now, refreshing the laundry that was in there. Dixie's being Dixie. What? What, you want to be on the vlog? Well, you're on it. And yeah, we're going to just have a chill night at home again, with Keith not feeling great. Don't want to really do too much. And tomorrow is a busy day for both of us because it is also Nico's first birthday party, which obviously I'm not going to, but Keith will be there with Mom and Dad and Kim and Dave and the baby. So we'll both be out of the house for a while, having fun. So let me go throw more laundry in, and I'll be back later.
Joel, say hi. Well, you keep hitting the button and you stop the show from playing. And then you get mad, right? Can I have the remote? Can I have it? Well, do you want me to fix it? Okay. So yeah, what's up guys? So I am editing. Jen is texting.
About Melanie's shower.
Which is tomorrow. Oh, that's kind of weird. Yes, I saw my cough. Yes, I'm taking my inhaler. I took my one medicine today. Took them both. But I'm gonna try to edit and get things done. We're gonna put Jules to bed eventually, and we're gonna try to watch movies tonight.
I have to take off toenail polish and maybe paint those toenails. If not, at least get my old polish off. Maybe do a clip or a buff. I gotta do my eyebrows.
No, Jules.
She wants a Jules cam. Jules cam. Say hi. Say hi. Well, Jules cam isn't going so good. So we'll be back after this brief announcement.
What are you doing, Jules? No.
So yeah, three amigos. Right, Jules? Three amigos.
Look.
Yeah, I have to clean up from dinner, so I'll do that when he is putting her to sleep.
15 minutes, Jules going to bed. Get that finger out of that nose.
I have more clothes to fold. And then, like I said, the toenails and the brows. And this little girl took a real late nap, and it wasn't a very long nap. It was maybe an hour and a half. So it might be a hard bedtime or a real easy bedtime. Why don't you play? Hey, where's your doggy? Where's Dixie? And that just happened. Jules, what happened? Jules? Say, I tried jumping off the couch and I landed in a laundry basket. Was that silly? Was that silly? And she took her ponytail out, but they're still like at the ponytail look. Oh, she's nuts. What are you doing? You want Jules cam? Jules cam.
Anyway, it's time for bed. Julie's still sleeping. Jen did her toes, well, cleaned her toes. What did you say you did?
I gave myself an at-home pedicure, but no paint.
No what?
No paint.
I thought she had no paint.
Clipped them, filed them, soaked them. Where's my lotion?
But now, gotta get tweeters out of my back pocket.
I think the baby did something with my lotion.
Of course it did. She always blames the baby.
Well, it was on here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wait, here it is.
Oh.
She did.
Didn't fall off last night, right?
Oh, it fell off last night?
I go, baby, what was that? You go, oh, the lotion.
Oh.
Blaming the baby. But Jen's leaving early in the morning. I'm taking baby to the birthday party. It's a birthday party, right?
Yeah, first.
My inhaler's downstairs. I will get that. Take my cough pills, which I think are downstairs too. Ugh.
Uh-oh. I think she's waking up. Yeah, I gotta wake up, shower, do my eyebrows, throw a little makeup on, head out.
But yeah, so I think that's gonna be it. I'll let you end the video and I'll go get my stuff downstairs.
It's hard to believe though tomorrow is, sorry about that, Sunday. That's a real stinker. But it should be a fun, busy day for both Keith and I. But thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. Tell your friends. Keith's all happy we got like 171 subs or something like that. Give him a thrill. Let's get 175. Kidding. I'm totally joking. I'm totally tired too. But share a smile. Have a great night. And we will see you tomorrow.
You and I till the